we're going to be making a couple of my favorite desserts today. I'm so excited to share this with you. The first one's going to be a three ingredients cookie, peanut butter cookie at that. And the second is going to be a peanut butter mousse. All right, so what we're going to do here to put a little spin on it, because these are each a couple of my favorite desserts that are low carb, I'm going to put them together and make a sandwich. I think that's going to be really good. So I'm going to take you along for the ride. Let's go ahead and try this one out. So with this mixing bowl, we're going to place the ingredients. And I already have them all divvied out. So first things first here. 1 cup of peanut butter of your choice, your nut butter of choice. I went ahead and went with the Earth Balance. Here we go. Can you see it there? Perfect. Creamy Earth Balance and coconut blend. All right, so that's what I'm going ahead and use for both of these recipes. I started using the Earth Balance, of course, because I was vegan. It's just one of those things that I never weaned away from. So you can use any nut butter that you like. That's just the one I choose. So we're going to go ahead and start with my spatula. So I can get this out of here with the 1 cup of your nut butter of choice. Get all of that out of there into that bowl. Not too bad, huh? We're going to love how quick this is. 1 cup of your sweetener of choice. I went ahead and went with the turbinado cane sugar just because I've been using that ever since I've been vegan, and I personally like it. Plus, I used to buy in bulk, so I have a lot of it. So I'm going to go ahead and use 1 cup of that. So far you have 1 cup of peanut butter and 1 cup of sugar, right? And finally, that egg. In this bowl, you have the egg, the cane sugar, and your 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up into a nice blend. See, it doesn't take long to mix it in with your hands. And just make sure that you get everything fully mixed in. Get that egg. You don't want any slimy parts, right? Make sure you get that egg and the peanut butter all mixed up. So I'm going to do that. 50. And these literally bake for 10 minutes. Peanut butter consistency, right? So what I'm going to do next, I already have my pan ready to go. Take sections out. Roll them into my palms, the size of that. All right. And put that on my pan. So you see what it looks like. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all. I try to get as many as possible out of the mixture. Again, just roll it in my palm to yield about 14 delicious cookies. Okay? I'm going to go ahead and move these over here so that they're a little bit closer in view, so you see what we have going on. All right, these will not necessarily stretch too much further than where you press them out to once they're baking. So you don't have to worry about them joining with the neighbors. So yeah, go ahead, and I just wet my fork just a little bit in some water so that it doesn't stick in the oven. Man, these already look delicious, don't they? Look at that. All right, we're going to go ahead and pop these in the oven, everybody. And before you know it, this house is going to be smelling delightful. I'm going to pop them into the middle rack or your bottom rack. And I'm going to set that timer to 10 minutes. And while we do that, I'm going to slide my thrifty bowl over here that I love because it has a cover. So I'm going to mix directly into this bowl. And when we're ready to chill, cover it, slap that in the refrigerator. So, once again, I love this thing. Now we're going to be making our mousse. Our mousse is simple. almost, if not more simple than the cookies, okay? You're going to need your 8 ounces of whipped topping, standard 16-ounce cream cheese, your 1 cup of your nut butter of choice, and just a tiny little drizzle of some vanilla flavored extract. I'll just go ahead and just put that in right now. Just a little, not much. This is already so flavorful. You honestly don't need to do this, but it's a nice little touch. So if you choose not to put that because you're concerned about the sugar alcohol, that is fine. You don't have to. So I had this sitting out a little bit so that it can soften just a tad. Go ahead and open that up. Helps the process. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that 16 ounces right into our bowl. The whipped topping. So I'm just going to add all of these ingredients in all at once into our bowl. So far in my bowl, I have the Neufchâtel cream cheese, the whipped topping. I'm trying to get every little bit out of there. I'm not going to be wasteful of any of this deliciousness. I need, well, as I say that, I spill some. Alright, next, finally, our final ingredient here. So we have the Neufchâtel cream cheese with the Neufchâtel cheese, your whipped topping. So we have 16 ounces of Neufchâtel, 8 ounces of your whipped topping, and your 1 cup of your peanut butter. And optional, your vanilla flavored extra. So I'm going to go ahead and start mixing this together with my handheld mixer. Just stop every now and then to scrape it off the sides. Make sure that everything is getting mixed in there, especially since we put that cream cheese in there first. Make sure that cream cheese is getting incorporated as well. So it's coming together, and oh, I know this tastes delicious. I actually haven't made this mousse in a little bit of time, so I'm kind of excited to give it a try. It's been a while. That's the oven. Moment of truth. All right, so of course, this doesn't mean that we're ready to eat right now. This means that we're going to turn that off, that it can cool. So again, that was 10 minutes at 375 in the oven. Ooh, that smells delicious. See? So they did not spread, right? We're going to let those cool, but they are done and they smell delicious. All right. Let's go ahead and get our mousse done and refrigerated. This is our mousse, right? I'm going to put that in the refrigerator to cool. So let's our cover on there. I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator to cool. So our cookies are cooling and our mousse is cooling. And we'll be back to put this all together and take a little bite. All right, everybody, we're back. And I know it's only been a couple of seconds in your time, but I have been sitting here smelling all of this deliciousness, waiting patiently, and the time has finally come. The cookies have cooled, and the mousse is chilled, and I'm about to go get it, put it together, and put this together. Look at the cookies. They look so good. They're nice and cool. They smell so delicious. Our mousse is nice and chilled. Look at that. Yay! So, let me get oh, look at that. Comes right up. I'm going to put one on the bottom. Get some of that mousse. Such a wonderful dessert. Just put that mousse. Get another one that's about the right size. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. That's going to be delicious. Mmm. That amazing. Okay, I only baked for 10 minutes because I like soft batch cookies. This is soft. It's decadent. You have the sweet and salty going on, and then the creamy texture of the mousse in between the cookie. Best thing ever. You know what? That is so good. This is amazing. I hope that you were making it the same time I was. And if you weren't, go do it right now. Because this is amazing. Delicious. And I'm not just saying that. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. Let me know, please comment down below if you made these and how delicious it was. Tell a friend. It was so good. It's simply me, Lisa G. Thank you for joining me. Bye.